Here we got an old Massey Ferguson TO-35. Pretty cool. Actually, you can see the plate on there. Nice. No battery. Battery box where the battery should be. It's pretty cool. Front view of it. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, this is Hunter. I'm at a estate sale today, something different. And I'm looking at a spring tool for plowing. And it's more or less like chisel plowing. That's kind of cool. And over here we have a disc, offset disc. Pretty neat. Pretty old. And we got a 2-bottom plow with a 3-point hookup. I remember that when I was a kid. I used to use these to plow with a Massey Ferguson tractor. Pretty cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching.